Coming up in this video, we're going to make a easy, creamy mushroom soup you don't want to miss out on. I made this several times and I've fallen in love with it. For hearty mushroom soup, we'll need 1 decent sized onion, but I'm using 2 small, 4 tablespoons of butter, 6 to 7 cups of mushrooms, the smaller the better, and I'm using portobellos, baby portobellos, 4 cups or 1 quart of chicken stock, and I'm using turkey stock because I think it has better flavor, and I just figured out I had so much of that down in the basement, but I think turkey stock gives a better flavor. And 1 cup of beef broth, but since I had an open jar of French onion soup in my refrigerator, I'm going to toss that in instead of opening up another jar. Waste not, want not. 1 teaspoon of fresh dill weed or a half a teaspoon of dry dill weed. Fresh thyme, a teaspoon of fresh or a half a teaspoon of dry thyme, if you have the time. And 2 heaping tablespoons of flour, and a cup of milk or heavy cream, and a splash of dry white wine, and salt and pepper to taste. Set a timer for 8 minutes and let this saute become translucent. Only wash mushrooms right before you use them because they're full of water content to begin with. Cut the stem off at the end, and I'm going to do slices and quarter the big ones to add texture to the soup. Alright, with our onions cooked and translucent, we're going to add our mushrooms and cook another 8 minutes. You want to make sure your pot is on medium-high heat to get these mushrooms cooked down, and they'll start to become watery, but you want that good broth in your soup. Now we're going to add the herbs, and we're going to cook it another 2 minutes. Alright, now we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt and a splash of dry white wine. A cup of beef stock. And for the seal, oh yeah. Then we're going to bring this to a boil. Next we're going to add our flour to our milk and get that well incorporated. Now we're going to slowly incorporate the milk and make sure it's well incorporated. Then we're going to turn the heat back to a simmer for 20 minutes or until it's thick enough for you.
That's very good. I thought we were having cheesy soup.
That's another night.
Yeah.
So would you like it again?
Yeah. Not tomorrow though.
We'll eat it tonight so you don't have to eat it tomorrow.
Okay.
If you've made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for more great content. May I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless, and see you in the next video.